Hello and welcome back to the garage, my digital garage. This is my computer. Hello! Today we're going to be doing 3D modeling. So we've got a couple of different softwares we need. We've got Blender. This is an awesome freeware that I've recently found and it's pretty darn cool. And we need our FlashPrint, which is the software I use to take my 3D model and slice it for my 3D printer. So let's get that started. So go ahead and open your modeling software. My computer's a little bit slow, so I'll try to speed up through a lot of this. That way you're not spending 20 minutes just watching nothing happen. I'm going along the tutorial that is given by Blender Guru. He's a YouTuber. I'll put a link in the description to these. Basically, he goes through and teaches you how to use Blender to model an anvil, which I thought would be a really good first project for 3D modeling as well as printing. So I've imported the model and it's really tiny. I didn't know that there was a dimensioning option in Blender, but I know that now. So until then, I'll just scale it up and we can print it 10 times the normal size. before we can print it, we need to add supports. Just use the auto support option, and it'll put them on the model for you. You can look through all the layers and see how it's going to be built. It's pretty cool. Go back, it'll ask you if you want to save. I always just say no because I don't want to alter my model. Then we go to print and tell it which options we want to use. We're just going to use PLA on the standard. Click OK. It'll ask you if you want to add a raft or a brim. Select OK. It'll ask you where you want to save the file to. So I'm going to tell mine to save it to the SD card that I have. I'm just going to use the same file name. Simple. And now we're ready to take this over to the printer. That's what it'll look like when printing. And that's about how long it'll take. 30 minutes. And there it is. It took about 4 days to learn Blender and well enough to do this little anvil. I hope you liked the video. I'm thinking we're going to do some more 3D printing stuff as time goes on. It's a lot of fun. Maybe I'll come up with little things to print and sell, perhaps. I don't know, keychains or something. Tell me what you think in the comments section. Again, those links to the YouTube channel Blender Guru are going to be in the description. Go check out his channel. It's pretty cool. If you've never done any 3D modeling before or animation, that's what Blender's for, is modeling and animation, mostly animation, I think. But he does some really cool stuff. He's very knowledgeable. I recommend watching and subscribing. Go ahead and like the video if you liked it. If you didn't, that's okay. You'll get over it. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your friends' family. Have a great day. See you next time.